Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, then a warm welcome to you. For today's look, I'm once again going to be using the Icy Fantasy Palette by Morphe. And again, just moving out of my comfort zone with colors I don't ordinarily use. Before we get into this video, please do consider subscribing and ring the bell if you would like to know when I release new content. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share and leave comments down below. This all helps me to grow my channel. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Now, for the sake of time, I've already filled in my brows using the Morphe brow pencil. And let's get into these eyes. The first shade that I'm going to use is Arctic Abyss. And I'm just going to work that very lightly into the crease. I find that putting down this shade first does in fact help to accentuate the next shade which I'm going to use, which is Dreamer. And I'm just going to work that lightly into my crease as well. I'm just going to use a clean fluffy brush just to make sure that there are no harsh edges. Now I'm going to take some concealer and create a cut crease. So the look that I want to achieve today is a soft, sultry look. Now I'm just going to use my finger and apply the shade Holothermia to my lids. So you'll see that I'm avoiding the crease area because I'm going to lay down a glitter shade there. Now using my N1 brush from the Nikita collection, I'm just going to pull the color out and up. Now using the N6 brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Frostbite and just apply that in the crease, moving out and up. Now to the contouring. Once again, I'm going to be making use of my Kryolan Super Foundation palette. And I'm just going to start with the light contouring first. And please do remember that when you are contouring your face, not all contouring works for all face types. Contouring differs with every face shape. So in my case, I want to create the illusion of having a nose bridge. So I do contour my nose, but for those of you who are fortunate enough to have that, you needn't do this. Moving on to foundation, using the same Kryolan palette, I'm just going to apply the foundation onto my face just in very light motions on the contour by stippling the product onto my face because I don't want to drag the contour around on my face. Then to finish off the foundation, I go in with a damp beauty sponge just to make sure that we have an even finish. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm just going to go into the shade Arctic Abyss and go underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to go into the shade Dreamer and just place that at the bottom as well. And just for a bit more sparkle at the bottom, I'm going to use Frostbite. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to use the shade Brilliant. To line my waterline, I'm going to be using the Crown eyeliner pencil. For bronzer today, I'll be using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm just going to work that over the areas that I already used cream contouring on. Now that the powdering is done, I'm going to finish my brows with the Benefit brow gel. And I start in the center of the brow just to make sure that I don't put too much product down in the front. Now finishing off the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes before I put on the false lashes. And the lashes that I'll be using are the Glamour lashes by Ardell. First I'm going to go ahead and apply the NARS Extreme Climax Mascara. And I'm going to apply the lashes off camera, so I will be right back. For the blush, I'm using the Mecca Max Cream Blush, and I'm just going to apply it to the apples of my cheeks and blend it out using my Crown Angled Blush Brush. Now I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my face on the areas where the light naturally hits my face. For the lips, I'm using my Crown Lip Liner pencil in the shade Cappuccino. And I'm going to finish with the Too Faced Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss in the shade Social Butterfly. And finally, I'm going to set the look using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And guys, this is the final look. Now, before I let you go, a big thank you for watching this video through to the end. It all helps lay the algorithm to recognize me on YouTube. Please do remember to subscribe, share, ring the bell, and leave comments down below to let me know what you think of this look. I hope you have a great day today, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you for hanging out with me, guys. Bye.